12-year-old boy goes missing from home in St. Anne. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A high alert has been activated for a 12-year-old boy, Mario Chocon, otherwise called Biggie, of Seville High, St. Anne's Bay, St. Anne, who has been missing since Friday, June 24th. He is of dark complexion, slim build, and about 154 centimeters or 5 feet 1 inch tall. Reports from the St. Anne police are that at about 7:35 a.m., the youngster left home and has not been seen or heard from since. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Mario Chocon is being asked to contact the St. Anne's Bay Police at 876-972-2211, the Police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.